Hey guys, it's Celia here again, and we've got the park set up, so it's our first day through, and we're gonna coach with the kids for a little while and have a good time.
Hello everybody, my name is Kevin. I'm from Slovenia. Welcome everybody and let's have a great day.
We're going to take a few laps on the piste and warm up and get our legs ready for some shred.
We're actually doing pro coaching today. I think a lot of the kids were very stoked and it was actually something new for us riders.
Now we're gonna go ride some little jumps with the guys or with the kids and show them little 180s and little airs, so I think they're gonna have even more fun here than on the boxes. Yes, I like it.
Everybody's smiling, and if people are smiling then it's good. We've just come in off the hill. It was a good day's riding today. We're heading out in the morning for some early shred before everybody gets here, and then the contest starts. It's the first contest we're having in Turkey, so it should be exciting. We've got two lines, the pro line and the rookie line, which makes it really even for everyone that's here. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a good day tomorrow. So we just finished the freestyle contest in Uludağ. It was awesome, everyone had a good time. The weather came in a little bit, but it didn't stop everybody having fun, so it was an awesome session and I'm stoked to be here, so thanks everyone for having me.
All of the traces of you are so unimportant.